So I am currently on the way to my brother's place because he is thinking about looking at a Gen 2 Coyote, and I'm gonna go look with him and everything. Right now I do need to go get gas, which does suck, but I need to go get that, and then I'm gonna head out to his house, and then I guess we'll go to the dealership, look at this Mustang. I don't remember what year it is, but it's like 40,000 miles or something. It is a base, but he don't really care about like having all the other stuff. So I guess I'm gonna bring you guys along today. Alright guys, there's a bridge coming up, so I'm going to give you some exhaust noise. Oh, so slow, but it sounds so good. Mustang week, and then all of a sudden he kind of got into like these BMWs, and he was wanting M4 for a while, and then I guess he finally came back to Mustangs because he knows they're more reliable and they're easier to maintain and everything compared to like an M4. But he was just kind of wanting a fun car, and this is kind of why he was wanting a Gen 2, just because it is cheaper, but it's still fun and reliable, and he can still technically daily it if he had to. But the car is black, and it is a 6-speed, so he is going to be looking at a manual. So hopefully it all works out. One, he would have a cool car, and two, it would be able to be good content for the channel, and if we did a bunch of stuff to it on here. So I am on the highway now, and I will say that with the windows up, I don't really get that much drone as I thought I would with no cats. I mean, you can kind of hear it through the camera. I mean, it's not that bad at all. It actually surprised me because I thought it was going to be like ear piercing, and like whenever I drive the Mustang week or something, I'm just going to have a headache. But it's actually like really good and not that much different from whenever I did have cats. Anyways, though, I am about to pull up to his place, and then after that, I guess we'll head to the dealership, and I'll pick it up there. So we are now in the car, and I mean, it seems alright. It does have an exhaust and some other little goodies here. It is a stock shifter still. I have kind of let the car warm up a little more though before I get on it a little bit. It's weird because I have a 6th gear and I'm not used to that in here. But I'm gonna try to get on it a little bit, not a lot, but
I'm not crazy.
I'm not. I want to make sure it's like straight wherever I'm at.
Seeing this water tower. You can always go in here and I'll switch or something.
Where? I mean, you can always go back the same way we just came.
That's what I'm saying. Like, turn around somewhere and I'll go. So far.
It's pretty nice sitting in park.
Yeah. We did switch drivers, and I'm gonna let him drive a little bit too. See, it's a lot easier than you think. Gosh. These cars are just like so easy, but I'm telling you, I mean, 10, 15 years does a lot of wonders. That's why nobody likes like new stuff how much anymore.
Right.
Yeah, take a ride up here. That's why a lot of people just like to get like newer cars.
It's so easy to drive. Like, it's like the nose is so long.
I know, they're really big in this car. Huh?
Nice.
Yeah. Do you think you could do with base though, like all the touchscreen,
Yeah,
or not having touchscreen? I mean, it's still a performance pack, so you still get the gauges, but
Where do I go here?
go straight. The boilers do sound really good. I think it's just a catback though. I don't think it's an actual X pipe and all that. And this car isn't tuned. I think the only thing that's done is the boilers.
I feel like so confident in this.
What, like drive a manual part?
Yes.
Yeah.
Bad. Oh, yeah, so
You want M4 anymore? No? Good, you finally came to the right side. That was a huge truck back there, oh my god.
Alright, so the more that we did look at the car, it did have a couple of dents in the hood and the roof. I think he's trying to find one before Mustang week, so hopefully we'll be able to find one for him and he'll be able to get it. And since he did test drive that, he said he did really like it. I'm not gonna lie to you, even just driving that S550 around, even if it was a base, it makes me really want to just kind of get rid of this car and go get something like that, because that is so nice. Like compared to a new Edge, I love new Edges, and like, you know, obviously I have goals for this car and everything, but that car is just so smooth and comfy and everything. Let me know what you guys would think if I did end up doing something like that and getting rid of this for that. Or I could always just still keep this car and get another car too. Alright, so I guess that is pretty much going to be the end of the video. And like I said, he's not going to get that specific car. But I think we may or may not be going to go look at another one this weekend maybe. So maybe I'll bring you guys along for that one too. It is cool though, because he is looking to get a Mustang, and obviously whether I keep this or if I was to get something else, it was to be a Mustang related. And I think it'd be cool to have another Mustang on the channel to be able to have more car stuff to do. If you did enjoy this video, make sure to leave a thumbs up, subscribe, comment, do all that good stuff. Turn on my post notifications so you can get notified every time I post a video. And I guess I'll catch you guys in the next one.